Alright fam, so this is a foolproof dessert or something you could have at brunch. Parfaits, bro. So we got yogurt, we got some fruits, we have some whipped cream, and some cereal. You could do some oats. Well, we had banana, then we layered it with some of this vanilla yogurt, then we layered it with some flaked cereal, and then whipped cream, baby. So we got blueberries, we got raspberries, we have chopped oranges. The bananas were at the bottom. Fun fact, I hate working with raspberries because they mold so freaking fast and so easily, but otherwise they taste phenomenal. Another suggestion is not using cups that have a tapered top, because you could see like the rim got really messy because I used a really big spoon, but otherwise these are fantastic. They could last in the refrigerator for a couple hours. They soften the cereal, which is very nice. So happy Mother's Day, y'all.